Hey, in this episode of Prepare to Survive, we're going to be talking about the My Medic first aid kits. I'm going to tell you what I like and what I don't like, so stick around. Welcome to another episode of Prep Gear, where I test and review products so you don't waste time and money. This is an honest review. My videos and my channel are not sponsored, allowing me to say what I want about the products that I test. Now, I recently reached out to My Medic and told them the purpose of this channel was preparing to survive. It's about preparing families or small groups of people to be ready for difficult times and difficult situations that we now live in. And I asked them if I could test out a couple of their products, and they were happy to send me a couple of items, and I'm going to show you what they sent. Now, they sent two different products for me to test and review, and so this will be a two-part series video. In this first part, we're going to be talking about this smaller kit that they sent, which is called the Solo. Now, I was just a little bit disappointed because the purpose of this channel, as I mentioned, is about preparing families and or small groups of people to prepare to survive. And that means that you could be without medical care for a period of days, weeks, or even months. So we're talking about multiple people over a long period of time. And I have this nice little Solo medical kit. So we're still going to take a look at it, and then I'll tell you what I think. And to help this out with some visuals, we're going to jump over on the computer where I can show you a few things about this kit. So let's have a look. Okay, so the first thing you're going to notice is it is called the Solo, meaning it's intended for a single person. And it comes with a nice bag. I inspected the bag carefully. It's good stitching, nice zippers, good quality bag. The bag is pretty full, and so there's very little room to add additional items, even though they do have this mesh pocket on the outside where you could slip something in. Now, the kit does come in a variety of colors, depending on whatever your liking is, and it comes in two variations, a basic kit and a more advanced kit. You'll notice that the basic kit is $50, whereas the advanced kit is $100. Now, one of the things I noticed about this kit is that the items inside the kit are good quality. It's an American company. Presumably, most of the items in here certainly aren't going to be all U.S. made, I'm sure. You're going to have items that come from various sources. But overall, it's a nice kit, and if you're a brand name shopper, then My Medic is certainly a brand name that is up and coming, and so this kit may suit you just fine for certain situations. But let's take a closer look at it. So this basic kit contains these items here, and so you have a pair of shears, a single pair of nitrile gloves, and some various size band-aids. Now, if you notice, you have two of these, and two of these, two of these, four of these, etc. So you only have a few band-aids in this kit, but certainly it'll take care of any cut or scrape that you have. It also comes with some paracord, which is a little unusual for a kit of this size that they would stick in the paracord. But you know what? Paracord has many uses. It does have an emergency whistle, or if for some reason you are disabled and unable to move, you can draw attention to yourself and call for help. And then it has a basic medicine pouch inside where you have a couple of Tylenol, Benadryl, 4 Advil tablets. There's some lip balm. If you're out in the sun and you're getting some chapped lips, you have some sting relief and a couple other small items here. You also have a small saline solution so you can rinse out your cut before you applying a Band-Aid. Now, this is a very basic kit, as I mentioned, and this kit would be suitable in my opinion, if you're going to walk the dog, if you're just going out away from the house, maybe you want something in your office desk drawer in case you get a paper cut or something of that nature. You can have a small kit with you. It would be suitable for that. The more advanced kit also includes these items here, which you get a single chest seal, quick clot packets to help stop the bleeding, a tourniquet in case you have a more severe injury on your leg or arm that needs to be where you need to slow down the blood flow and control the bleeding. You have a nasal air tube to help with opening up an airway. And then you have this little mend kit, which sounds more like a suture kit, but it's not. If you do have a deeper laceration or cut, it simply has the special little band-aids in there that helps you close up the wound. There's no needle, no thread. There's a couple of gauze pads in there, and that would be all that's in this kit here. This is for a slightly more severe cut than maybe what you'd want to simply put a band-aid on it. So overall, let's talk about this kit. As I mentioned, it's great if you just want to have a simple kit with you, because you're out walking the dog or something, or maybe in your office desk drawer. Then this basic kit for $50, it's going to do you well. This kit is almost a one-time use type kit. If you get one cut, fine. You use a band-aid, great. The kit's still fine. If you have a more severe cut where you're going to use the gloves and you need to dabble into some of these medications down here, then you're going to want to restock it before you ever plan to use it again. And it's a little interesting that you go from a very basic band-aid type kit and you jump over here to the advanced, and they give you a single chest seal, quick clot tourniquet, and nasal airway. So this is for more of an extreme type situation. But again, so if you're out bicycling, hiking, or something of that nature, you would want to get the advanced kit that gives you a little more capability for a more severe type injury. Now, I've inspected these items, and they're good quality items for the $50 or even for the $100. It's just that the kit is very limited, and it's more of a one-time use type kit. Certainly not appropriate for this channel and what we're trying to achieve here, which is off-grid living for multiple people. This kit would not be recommended. Now, if you want more information on exactly what's in this kit, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you can open up each of these here, and it's going to talk more about each of these items and give you a little bit better idea of what's in the kit. So overall, would I recommend this kit? Absolutely. If you can afford it and you're looking for name brand kits, pick this kit up and leave it in your desk drawer. Take it with you when you're out for a walk. It gives you some basic first aid items with you. It's not suitable for things such as, it would not be suitable for things such as adventure type sports, or even leaving in your car where there could be multiple injuries, more severe injuries. I just don't see it for that, because there's no compression bandages, just a small amount of gauze in here for bleeding control. So it's, again, it's a nice little kit, but very limited on its use. So that's my review. Do I recommend this kit? Sure, in limited circumstances, this could be a great kit for you. But you know what? It's not a good kit for the purpose of this channel where we're prepping to survive. This is just not something that I would recommend. I would recommend alternatives. If you're going to look at a kit that's pretty basic like this, you can pick up a pretty basic kit for, honestly, about 20 bucks. And I know because I have a couple of those kits. And they suit me just fine. They've got the bandages, they got the basic medications, they got the gauze. Hey, I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll try to get to those. And just for your benefit, I'm going to go ahead and throw up another video or two right over here on the side. If you click on those, I'll go ahead and see you over on the other side. Thanks for watching.